Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to talk about the classification of coral, that is the types of coral. Corals are divided into several types depending upon the habit or association and upon the structure. First is solitary corals. The typical example of solitary corals are the Fungia. This one is the Fungia coral. Flabellum, Caryophylla, Belanophylla, etc. They are solitary corals having disc or cup or mushroom shaped corallites and measuring about 5 mm to 25 mm across. The corallites are often without a theca and lie loose on the bottom and remain attached by a stalk. They may reproduce by longitudinal fission or by budding from any part of the body surface. The sclerosepta of the buds are formed from those of the parent. Second type of coral is colonial coral. The typical example of the colonial corals are Oculina, Favia, Madrepora, Mindrina, Tubipora, etc. Most of these corals are colonial and usually form low flat plates or spherical masses or cups or vases. They may be branched also. The branched forms have short, stout or long, slender branches. The colonies are formed by asexual methods from a single sexually produced polyp. The colony is largely composed of calcareous secretion and the surface is only occupied by living individuals. The polyps constituting the colony may be widely separated from each other with separate theca, or the theca of the different polyps may fuse together to form a common wall. The polyps are usually small, varying from 1 mm to 3 cm in length. The space between the theca of coral colonies is occupied in living state by parenchyma. On the basis of its structural organization, the corals can be divided into three types. First is imperforate or aporose. These corals have compact theca and sclerosepta. The loculi are usually separated off by disempiments or synapticuli. The examples are Flavellidi, Turbinolidi, Oculinidae, Caryophyllidi, Favidi. Second type is perforate. The corallum is extremely porous and is of loose construction. The examples are Poritidae, Madrepora, Acroporidae, etc. Third number is fungite. They may be either perforate or imperforate and have laminated septa joined by synapticuli. The corals belonging to the family Fungidae are included under the category. In types of coral, this much only. In the next video I will talk about the formation of coral. Thank you everyone.